Cross product of two vector. What is formula for cross product of two vectors?
AB sin theta. If it is magnitude, then AB sin theta and cap.
Correct. If it is magnitude, then it is AB sin theta. If it is magnitude and direction both, then n cap. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
When two vectors are perpendicular, then what we should use?
Dot product.
Dot product. If they are parallel, then
Cross product.
cross product should be 0. And what is
Yes.
ax upon bx equals to ay upon by equals to az upon bz.
upon B.
Yes. So last class, I think we have completed till dot product of two vectors a bar dot a bar, b bar dot b bar. That one.
Yes, sir. 8
Yes,
question.
Correct. Next sum, write down. Next. It is sum number 9 I am doing. Force F acting on a particle, force F acting on a particle displaces it from the point A 3, 2, 5 to B 1, -3, 7. 1, -3, 7 if F bar equals to 3i cap, 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap Newton. Find work done if the distance are in meter. Find the work done if distance are in meter. Force F is acting on a particle which is going from A to B. So if A is one position, B is another position, having coordinates 3, 2, 5, 1, -3, 7. Then when I join this O to A and O to B, so this will be AB. This is displacement, correct?
Yes, sir.
So O to A, O to B is our displacement. So I can say net displacement, we can call ds bar or r bar. It is r2 bar. This one is r2. This one is r1. So r2 bar minus r1 bar is the displacement. You can call this as r bar also, no problem. So r2 bar will be I cap minus 3j cap plus 7k cap minus of 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. So 1i minus 3i is minus 2i cap minus 3j minus plus 2j minus 3 plus 2 will become minus 1. 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2k cap. So we got displacement. What is formula for work done?
Force into displacement.
Into displacement.
You'd say F bar dot displacement bar. Don't say force into. We'll say F bar dot S bar. S is our R. Just copy till this, then I'm doing further.
Sir,
Yeah.
here 3 I cap plus 2 J cap, no? Because here it is plus 2.
Yeah, 3i plus 2. This is 3i plus 2, 5j. Minus minus will become plus. Again, I'm repeating. Force F is acting on a particle, displaces it from point A having coordinate 3 to 5 to point B having coordinate 1 minus 3 7. If F bar is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap Newton, find work done if distance is in meter. So if A has coordinate, B has coordinate, always first find position vector. Position vector is vector from some reference point such as origin to the particle. So I have drawn OA, call that as R1 bar, draw OB, call that as R2 bar. Now AB becomes R bar, which is R2 bar minus R1 bar. So R2 is I cap minus 3j cap plus 7k cap. R1 is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. So I minus 3i is minus 2i, minus 3j minus minus plus 2j is 5j, 7 minus 5 is 2k. So I got displacement from A to B. Now work done is dot product of force and displacement. Work done is dot product of force and displacement. F bar dot, here displacement I have taken R bar. What is F bar? Can anybody tell me? What is F bar? Avan, what is F bar?
So 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap.
Minus K cap. And what we got R bar as?
Minus 2I cap
Okay.
plus 5J
Plus
cap plus
5K
theta
cap plus 2K cap.
plus, yes.
Yes. Now, whenever it is dot product, what we do? AX, BX plus AY, BY plus AZ, BZ we multiply. So 2 into minus 2, 3 into plus 5, 2, 1 minus 1 into 2. That will become minus 4 plus 15 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 15 becomes 9. Answer 9 joule. So remember that whenever work, it will not come in I cap, J cap, K cap, because it is scalar quantity. It will be only a number with unit. Any doubt in this sum?
No, sir.
Okay, please copy. Very important sum again.
So what is this question number?
8.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm just figuring out. Next one. So, Nija, it was ninth sum, not eighth. Ninth one. Huh? Now 10th we are doing.
Oh, okay.
10th is show that a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar is a square minus b square. Current, what is a bar dot a bar?
Sir, A
Correct?
square.
A square.
A square. And does it obey commutative law? Does it obey commutative law? Dot product?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how to start. Very simple derivation. This is a bar dot a bar minus b bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar. That is a bar dot a bar minus a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar dot b bar. A bar dot a bar is a square minus ab is same as plus ba cancel. B bar dot b bar is b square. So this is equals to RHS, hence true. Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Solve it fast.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one we are trying now. Sum number 11. I'm writing the question on the board, on the screen, then we'll discuss 11th sum. If P bar equals to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and Q bar equals to I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Find P bar cross Q bar. Okay. This again sum is just to encourage us to remember formula. P bar cross Q bar equals to determinant of. All of you say what I will write in first row, first column, in fact first
I
row.
cap,
Very good. I cap, J cap, K cap.
K cap.
Then see we have written P here. So it should be P wala term. Huh? By mistake don't interchange. So this is 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1,
Plus
3. Kathan, any doubt? Kathan, Hitarth, Anay?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
all this, yes, I cap bracket minus j cap bracket plus k cap bracket. This concept here, I cap bracket minus j cap bracket plus k cap bracket. You know?
Yes, sir.
Now to get I cap, what you will multiply?
Minus 2 into 3.
Very good. That means I wala call. Very good. Very good. Very good. -6 and -1. For J, 3 into 3, 9, -1. For K, 3 into 1, 3, minus plus 2. Therefore, final answer will be -7 I cap, 8 and this, plus 8 J cap, plus 5 K cap. One of the easiest sum. Just to memorize formula, this sum is given. Copy fast. Never it will come in entrance. It can be asked in 11th standard college exam.
Sir, it will be minus J cap.
Starting is plus, then minus J cap, then plus K cap. I cap bracket, minus J cap bracket, plus K cap bracket. I cap bracket, minus J cap bracket, plus K cap bracket.
Sir, it should be -7 I cap, -8 J cap.
That
Yes,
you are
sir.
yes. Correct. -8. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum number 12. Find the moment of force. 12 sum. Find the moment of force F bar equals to 3I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap applied at a point 2, 3, 7 about a point minus 1, comma 2, comma. Just write this question, then I'm explaining because it is new type sum. Find the moment of force F bar applied at a point 2, 3, 4 about a point -1, 2, comma 3. Isha, Neha, Pranjali, Arya, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tirtha, you are understanding properly?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please, you can also ask.
Yes.
I'm just explaining what is meaning of moment of force. ICSE student, I think they have heard this word.
Yes, sir.
Turning effect of force is called moment of force. Turning effect of force is called moment of force.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this force is applied at a point. That means if I consider this point, let us assume P having coordinate 2, 3, 7. Here we are applying one force. F bar equals to 3I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap. So force is applied at a point P. We want its turning effect at point, suppose O, which is -1, 2, comma 3, or you can call Q at this point. We want turning effect. Hitarth,
Yes, sir.
have you heard about turning effect?
No, sir.
Okay. ability of force to rotate a body. Suppose I fix the body here and apply force here, it will rotate. No, like this. That ability of
Yes, sir.
force to turn the body is called moment of force. Its formula is distance between point where it is going to rotate to the point where you are applying force. Suppose I call that r bar. In vector form, moment of force or turning effect is given by r bar cross f bar. This you are going to study in chapter called rotational dynamics further. So for vector, just remember moment of force is r bar cross f bar. And what is r? It is distance where point is acted upon by force to the point where it is going to take turning effect. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
This is very
No,
important
sir.
because new terms. Please copy till this, then I'm explaining. Whenever force turns the body, then it is called turning effect. So P is point where we have applied force, Q is point where it will produce turning effect. Means Q is the fixed point, force is applied at P. So you can imagine pen. एक end आपका हाथ में है वो Q, other end is P. There you apply force perpendicular, वो गोल घूमेगा. That is called turning effect.
Done, sir.
Now my problem is what is r bar, f bar, so I can clearly see 3i cap minus 2j plus k. I think Avan, you can guide me how to get r bar.
So that is P plus Q.
No, not p plus. You see, when you see two coordinate, how you find r bar, which is position vector? P point पे फोर्स अप्लाई किया ना,
हाँ
Q
सर.
minus
और
P.
अपना फिक्स पॉइंट कौन सा? वेरी गुड. कौन बोला ये?
Neha sir.
नया सुपर. Q इज फिक्स पॉइंट, वो अपना रेफरेंस है. P पे आपने फोर्स अप्लाई किया, तो पोजीशन वेक्टर क्या होएगा? कोऑर्डिनेट का डिफरेंस लेते हैं ना हम लोग.
हाँ सर. P minus Q.
यस, P का कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस Q का कोऑर्डिनेट, ये याद रखना है आपको. तो R बार इक्वल्स टू, so don't be worried because आगे आगे chapters में this terms will again come. Now I can say it is 2 minus of minus 1 I cap plus 3 minus 2 j cap plus 7 minus 3 k cap. So 2 minus minus plus 1. So 3 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 4 k cap. Once you get R bar, then I think nobody can stop me in finding moment of force because I know formula R bar cross F bar. R is, first we'll write I cap, J cap, K cap, R3, 1, 4 and F. F का क्या था जरा बताएंगे? 3 minus 2 plus 1. Everybody has followed? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Till this any doubt? Getting R bar and then moment ka formula?
No, sir.
No? I'm giving 1 minute to you all to solve this determinant. Try.
So
Yes. What is the answer?
9 I cap plus 9 J cap minus 9 K cap.
9 I
Yes, sir.
cap plus 9 J cap, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9K.
Minus 9 K cap. Okay.
Yes.
Let us check. Others also got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. 1 into 1 is 1, minus minus plus, 2 into 4, 8. Perfect. 8, 9 I cap. Perfect. For J, 3 into 1, 3, minus 12, minus 9 plus 9. Perfect. K, 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 3. Super. Now what you do, just take 9 common. That's it. I cap plus J cap minus K cap. फिर unit याद रखो. It is Newton meter. Because force is Newton and R is meter. So Newton meter. Just copy it. One. Hello? Hello? हाँ मैडम. Can I call you, madam, sharp at 12:30? Is it okay? Thank you, madam. There is a lecture going on. Otherwise, I would have spoken. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Next one. Vector A bar, sum number 13. Vector A bar equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap, and B bar, simple sir, B bar equals to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap forms the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram determine area of a parallelogram. A and B are adjacent sides of parallelogram determine area of parallelogram. Have you copied this one? Then I'm obtaining formula of this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्लियर करता हूँ. देखो इसका मीनिंग समझाता हूँ. हाउ टू गेट एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. A bar, B bar are adjacent sides of parallelogram. Suppose theta is angle between them. If I draw here perpendicular, this is called as height. Any of you know formula of area of parallelogram as per geometry?
So
Base into unit.
base into
Base
height.
into height.
So yes, correct. Area of parallelogram. You are saying base into height. You are perfectly right. Here our base is nothing but magnitude of A or not.
Yes, sir.
And what is height? H, na? H is height. This perpendicular is height.
Yes.
So can I say sine theta is opposite side H upon B? So wherever I see H, I can write B sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, my area of parallelogram will become A B sine theta. This is nothing but magnitude of cross product. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you don't need, no need not prove. You just remember area of parallelogram is product of adjacent side and sine of angle between them. That means cross product's magnitude. So just write one note. Area of parallelogram with adjacent sides area of parallelogram with adjacent sides A bar comma B bar equals to A B sine theta equal to determinant magnitude of A bar cross B. Anay, can you tell what will be area of triangle then? Anay,
Yes, sir.
if this is parallelogram area AB sine theta, what will be area of triangle?
So upon 2.
Very good. Yes. So if area of triangle is half of adjacent side, correct. Now, once you know formula, then it is easier task because you know how to solve A bar cross B bar, then take its magnitude. So area of parallelogram is equals to magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Now A bar cross B bar is determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. Please tell coefficients of A. One of you say coefficient of A. Hitar say.
From the question
Yeah, what was A का coefficient?
लिखना पड़ेगा, याद नहीं है, 1 मिनट.
अरे अभी तो क्वेश्चन लिख नहीं रहे क्या आप?
2.
वेरी गुड.
क्वेश्चन तो फोन में है ना.
हाँ, लेकिन लिखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा ना, और बार बार फोन ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. That's why I'm writing because you don't
2,
have
3 and minus 1.
2, 3 minus. Please write the question because you don't have hard copy with you. 2,
Yes,
3
sir.
minus 1 and B wala
3, 2 minus 3.
3, 2 minus 3. Again, I need your help to solve this determinant. Please solve and tell me correct answer. Karan, do fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it and just tell me.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, can you just a minute show the page before it?
page before this you want to see.
Yeah, if you have it.
Dear, I don't store this na directly. I'm recording this, but I'm not
Okay.
changing that board na. Tell me where you are held up. I will tell you.
No, sir, actually, I can't write now, so that's why.
You are not able to write now. Just now.
Yes, because I am having a thumb injury.
You don't write anything. What I will do, I will record this and upload.
No, means I am taking the screenshots, but I missed that one.
No, even I will send that video of that one.
Okay, sir, thank you.
So
Tell.
minus 7
Minus
I cap
Okay.
plus 3 J cap minus 5 K cap.
Plus
Yes,
3
sir.
K cap minus 5 K cap. Okay. Let us cross check. I hope it is perfectly right. Minus 9 plus 2. Superb again. J wala. Minus 6. Minus minus plus 3. Oh, so nice. K minus 6. Minus 6. K wala. Plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 4. And minus 9. Rightly said. Correct answer. But please don't stop here. Find magnitude. Minus 7 square plus 3 square plus of minus 5 square. 7 square is 49. 3 square is 9. And 5 square is 25 in row. 25 and 9 becomes 34. 34 and 49. How much it is?
93.
93. This many square units is the final answer. Again, this can come in your college exam, not in entrance, because it is just understanding cross product solution. Right.
So it should be 83, no?
So 83.
No, 93 somebody told 10 bonus.
Sir, 58 plus 25.
83.
83. 83. Sure.
83.
Done, sir.
Okay. Last written square unit wrote na. Everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's next sum. 14th one. Find the cosine. Find the cosine of the angle between the vectors p bar equal to 4i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and q bar equals to 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. Okay. Find the cosine of angle between the vectors p bar and q bar. See whether they ask cosine of angle or only angle between two vectors, always I will be using dot product. Since p bar dot q bar is pq cos theta, we are interested in getting cosine of angle. So cos theta is p bar dot q bar upon pq. P is 4i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. It's dot with 2i plus j minus 3k upon magnitude of p, which is root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Dot q is 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 square. So this will become I coefficient we have to multiply. So 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3 upon root of 4 square 16 plus 4 plus 9 root of 4 plus 1 plus 4. Just do because no space is there. I'm doing further. Are you enjoying the numericals?
Yes, sir.
Next chapter is the best kinematics. Every sum you have to think.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes.
4 plus 1 plus 9
4.
4 plus 1, 3 square it is.
plus 9.
Oh, my eyesight is weak. I think 9. Today, due to rainy season, I think I'm not able to see clearly.
So 1 by root 406.
1 by root of how much?
Root 4
Root,
root 406. 406.
406. So finally we'll write theta equal to cos raised to minus 1 upon root of 406. This Sunday, test will be on scalars vector, theory and numerical both. Can I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Next sum number. Sum number. Just now we did sum number 14. 15th one. Yeah, 15th one. 15. Show that AB bar, which is equals to 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and BC bar, which is equals to I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap, and CA bar equal to 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 4K cap, forms the sides of right angle triangle. Forms the sides of right angled triangle. Proof. Forms the sides of right angled triangle. Vaibhav, how to prove that they are side of right angled triangle?
Sir, Pythagoras.
That means you have to find magnitude.
Yes.
Yes, the magnitude of AB, BC and CA.
What should be that magnitude becoming? How you will arrange?
So AB is equals to under root 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square.
Okay, I got it. Oh, I got it. That means you are telling, suppose there are three sides,
Yes, sir.
then I should get one side. If I call AB as A, BC as B, and so on, then I should get either A square equal to B square plus C square, or I
Yes,
should get B square equal to A square plus C square, or I should get C square equal to A square plus B square. Then it will become sides of right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is absolutely correct. Any other method? This is not wrong, huh? This is correct. Any other method? Any other method clicks in your mind? Hello? Hello? Any other method clicks in your mind? Any other method? Yes or no? Say fast.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is clicking. if this is perpendicular, let us assume. So what you know about vector correlation? Dot product is 0.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
0.
So
Yes.
second method will be, if I take AB BC का dot product और AB CA का dot product और BC CA का dot product, एक का किसका भी dot product 0 आ गया तो ये perpendicular हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
if
sir.
it becomes perpendicular, then can I say it forms sides of right angle triangle?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will not do by method which you suggested, because we are now in 11th, we are doing scalars vector. I will take by dot product. 3 sides are there. Those 3 sides, I'm finding dot product. If any one combo gives me dot product 90, I will say they are sides of right angle triangle. If not, not the side. That means, suppose I've got one side, two side, three sides. So 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 2 with 3. So 3 combo will come. नहीं समझा लगता है. I start with first side, take dot with second. इससे नहीं आया तो I will go ahead. First with third. इससे भी नहीं आया तो I will go ahead. 2 with third. If I
Yes.
start,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, combo followed now. What we are going to do? First, second,
Yes, sir.
first, third, second, third. If none of the answer comes 0, we'll say they are not the sides of right angle triangle. If comes, we'll say sides of right angle triangle, because when dot product is 0, then two vectors are perpendicular. One by one, I'm going with proper combo. You know,
Yes, sir.
no doubt, not here.
No, sir. Clear.
Yes, yes, yes. So AB bar ka dot I am finding with BC bar. This will become 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap dot I cap minus 3J minus 5K cap, which will be 2 minus 3 minus 5, which is same as minus 6, which is not equal to 0. Yes, can we go ahead now? This is not 0.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी
Yes,
आगे
sir.
जाते हैं. Now AB bar dot CA bar check करते हैं. This is 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap dot with 3I minus 4J minus 4K cap. So 2 into 3, 6 minus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. This is also minus 2, which is not equal to 0. One more than I have to check. Now, first, second over, first, third over, BC bar dot CA bar. That is I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap dot of 3I minus 4J minus 4K. So now 1 into 3 is 3, minus minus plus 12, 4, 5 4s are 20. So plus 20. That means still it is not equal to 0. So we will say it does not form sides of right angle triangle. Everybody has understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, Elect.
Sir, but we have to show that they are the sides of right angle triangle.
Maybe there may be some plus minus mistake. So because it is not coming, you will say it is, they are not the sides of right angle. That's
Okay, sir.
concept followed. No? There may be some plus minus error in this question. Now once I am giving to you, which will be the sides of right angle triangle? Extra question. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 16, 17, 18, 19 homework. Because similar type already we have done. 16, 17, 18, 19 homework for you. Can I clear this now, board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One extra sum I am giving. Right angle triangle wala hai. Let us see whether you are able to solve that. Right question, extra question. The three vectors a bar equals to 3 I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. B bar equals to I cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap. And C bar equals to 2I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. The vectors a bar, b bar, c bar forms. This is MCQ forms first equilateral triangle, second option an isosceles triangle, third option a right angled triangle, and fourth option no triangle. Just take dot product of a bar dot b bar, check whether it is 90. If this two only comes 90, you will say it is right angle triangle.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, a bar dot c bar is 0.
very good, correct. So AB you didn't got 0, but AC you are getting 0. Next line, therefore it is right angle triangle. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
follow how
It
will
is a right angle triangle.
Right angle.
yes. Now I think you got idea, na?
Yes, sir.
Now I am doing few MCQs for you. नहीं तो चलो नहीं MCQ नहीं चलो पहले यही कंप्लीट करते एक लाइन से जाते 16th 17th 18th 19th homework because they are same type which we have already done earlier. Next sum will try. If this chapter is strong, na many more chapters you will be able to understand very fast. Sum number 20. A body is acted upon by a body is acted upon by two forces. F1 bar and F2 bar of magnitudes 6 Newton and 8 Newton. If the angle between them is 60 degree, angle between them is 60 degree, find the magnitude and direction of their result. Magnitude and direction of their result. Again, I will give you 2 minutes. Let me see how many of you can find, because same type we have done. F1, F2, theta, resultant, alpha. These two you have to find. Anybody got R?
Sir, 2 root 37.
Okay, what you got root inside root?
Root 148.
Very good. Root 140, correct. Don't forget to write unit, huh? Otherwise, unnecessarily they will cancel the mark. So R equals to root of 148. This is Newton. If you want, you can bring it outside. This is 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. 2 root 37 Newton. Tan alpha is q sine theta upon t plus q cos theta. Q, sorry, here it is not q. This is F2 upon F1 plus F2.
Sir,
Yes.
is it 2 root 3 upon 5?
Let us check. Maybe correct.
Yes, sir. It is 2 root 3 upon 5.
Correct. Then everybody got correct. Then one more line is should, right? Alpha is tan.
Tan inverse of 2 root 3 by 5.
Yes. This should be your finding. Are you getting confidence in the chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So next sum is also same.
Next some homework, same sum. 22 P and Q, find P plus Q, very simple, add simple algebra. 23 I am doing. 21, 22 homework. 23rd. This again important question for college exam. What vector added to? What vector added to 2i minus 2j plus k cap and 2i cap minus k cap will give a unit vector along negative y-axis. What vector added to this and this vector will give unit vector along negative y-axis. So they're telling what is that vector. When you add to the given vector, answer will be negative y-axis ka unit vector. Negative y-axis unit vector is minus j cap. We all know, correct? What is positive
Yes,
z?
sir.
What is positive z-axis?
Okay.
Plus k.
Plus K.
Plus k cap. So I want that vector. I will select r bar be the required vector. Therefore, r bar plus 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus 2i cap minus k cap should give you answer minus k cap. Now it is simple addition and subtraction. 2i plus 2i, is it 4i? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2j plus k minus k will get cancelled. So can I say r bar equal to minus 4i plus 2j minus j. So finally it will become minus 4i plus j. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
solve. Sir. Sir. Yes, we have now our usual time. Can I keep at 12:45 or you want one? One is also okay for me. 1 o'clock will start, no problem. Chalo 1 o'clock, no problem. With ease will start. Yeah. Hello, Vaishnavi. Hello.
Yes.
Are you understanding everything or you have doubt anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding everything or doubt?
Understanding.
Fine. Good. Nija, where you run in between? Nija gets lost in between.
Yes, sir.
In between you leave the meeting, you go to see the weather condition, I think.
Sir, because of the weather, the connection is weak here.
No problem. Okay, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you wait?
Yeah, I can wait.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. One small oral answer you all will give me. I'm drawing diagram, you will tell me resultant. What is resultant?
Sir, 0.
All are in same
Zero.
direction.
Zero.
Zero.
Seventy.
Whenever all
Yes,
are in
sir,
same
zero.
direction and there is no space, that means it is zero result.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
एक और छोटा सा, then we'll stop today. When two vectors are of same magnitude and inclined by 120 degree, then what is resultant?
So equal to that.
That of given
बस बस
vector.
बस बस हाँ, चलेगा बराबर है. वो ऐसा ना दोनों वेक्टर सेम है. If P is A, Q is A, angle is 120. I think I have explained you this. Yes.
Sir, you have given 3 notes.
Yes.
Also.
You are remembering. Fine. So that's all for today. Aman, Mark I will send tomorrow. I forgot.
हाँ चलेगा सर आराम से.
हाँ नहीं नहीं आराम से नहीं, हम लोग बराबर करेंगे. भूल गया. Sunday test will be of scalars,
Theory and numericals.
numerical. No MCQ. Next Sunday I will give you MCQ. Okay.
Sir, you told to solve that 15 MCQs.
Any doubt is there in your mind?
Sir,
I will send
I
this
have doubt. Okay, sir.
15 MCQ of scalars vector. Na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will send today evening solution of that.
Ah.
So that's all for today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Enjoy,
Bye, sir.
enjoy the weather.
Thank you, sir.
Study. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Say.
Sir, I also have a doubt.
This is Pranjali.
No, sir, Isha.
Isha, say Isha, what doubt you have?
Sir, it's from units and measurements.
No problem. Say.
So the question is, if measured values of two quantities are A plus delta A
I
and
got it. Answer is A plus delta A. Okay, one line more. Say.
okay, and delta B, then delta A and delta B being mean absolute error, what is maximum possible error in A plus delta A, show that if Z is equals to A upon B.
One. It is just 2 minutes job. If Z equals to A upon B, na? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If Z is given A upon B, correct?
Yes, sir.
So error in Z is delta A upon A plus delta B upon B. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is the formula.
Sir, this is given in the question only.
So we have to prove that.
Yes.
We have to prove this part you are saying.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
then we'll do after explaining mathematical tools to everything.
Okay, sir.
That is
Okay,
log.
sir.
There is one formula. Log A upon B is log of A minus log of B. This method is there, and proof is not there in your syllabus. But still, if you want, after doing that mathematical tools, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Then for all the students, I will do. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.